Welcome to this week's edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Servier announced a deal worth up to $450 million for KER-0193, a BK channel modulator for Fragile X syndrome. Phase 1 in 56 healthy volunteers is complete with a safety readout, and with no approved Fragile X therapies, Servier plans a Phase 2 trial in the EU and US next year. Endpoints were not disclosed. In Japan, MEDIPAL Holdings and JCR Pharmaceuticals signed a global licensing and Japan co-development agreement for JR-479 in GM2 gangliosidosis, leveraging J-brain cargo. Preclinical data indicate CNS delivery with substrate reduction and survival extension in models. MEDIPAL gains ex-Japan global rights with sub-licensing. The companies will co-develop in Japan, and JCR will lead commercialization. Financial terms were not disclosed. In the US, the FDA debuted its rare disease evidence pathway for ultra-rare gene-defined fast-progressing diseases, affecting roughly fewer than 1,000 patients in the United States without adequate therapies. The framework allows single-arm pivotal packages supported by mechanistic and other supportive data. Reaction is mixed, and it could shape competition, pricing, and formulary access. Soligenix received FDA Orphan Drug Designation for SGX-945, dusquetide, in Behçet's disease. The company cites signals from a Phase 2A pilot in oral aphthous ulcers with improvements and favorable safety. Orphan Drug Designation provides development incentives and potential exclusivity. Saol Therapeutics received an FDA Complete Response Letter for dichloroacetate, SL1009, in pyruvate dehydrogenase complex deficiency after its Phase 3 trial missed the primary endpoint. Secondary measures included lactate reduction and motor gains in an open-label extension. The FDA requested a new trial. Saol is seeking a Type A meeting. Advocates are urging flexibility, and the open-label extension and expanded access programs continue. Orsini, a rare disease pharmacy, partnered with Paynela to expand affordability and copay or co-insurance support. The collaboration integrates AI-driven claims tools, direct-to-patient payments, and eligibility solutions to speed adjudication and reduce delays to specialty therapy access. From ICIEM 2025 in Japan, Chiesi Global Rare Diseases highlighted 9 abstracts across Fabry disease and alpha-mannosidosis, including pegunigalsidase alpha safety and infusion-related reactions, relationships between anti-drug antibodies and infusion reactions, trends in the MIND Severity Score Index, patient-reported outcomes, and the burden of alpha-mannosidosis. Interim and retrospective findings suggest stability or improvements in some cohorts, with heterogeneous anti-drug antibodies, profiles influencing IRR risk. Interpretation is limited by small sample sizes and retrospective designs. In Canada, Health Canada approved Bylvay odevixibat for cholestatic pruritus in patients with Alagille syndrome aged 12 months and older. Already authorized in Canada for pruritus in progressive familial intrahepatic cholestasis, the Phase 3 ASSERT study in ALGS showed pruritus reduction within weeks, with improvements in sleep and bile acids and a favorable safety profile. Bylvay is now the first and only medicine in Canada indicated for pruritus in both ALGS and PFIC, supported by the Ipsen Medicine Partnership across Canada and Israel. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.